Want InVideo AI free premium account features for free in 2026? Legally, I've got a simple step-by-step plan that actually works without hacks or shady stuff. First, ground rules. I don't use cracked accounts, bots, or chargeback tricks. Method 1, official free trials. Join their email list, turn on site notifications, follow their X, follow their LinkedIn, set a calendar reminder to cancel before renewal. It's free, it's legal, and it gives full premium during the window. Method 2, referrals. Most creator. SaaS has a Refer Friends, Earn Months program. Grab your unique link in your account, share it with classmates, share it with teammates, watch your balance stack, no spamming, only real signups. Method 3, education and nonprofit access. If you're a student, if you're a teacher, if you're a registered nonprofit, search InVideo AI Education or InVideo Nonprofit. Many platforms verify with a school email or org docs, and grant free or sponsored seats. Method 4, beta tester and ambassador credits. Join their Discord or community forum, opt into beta features, file useful bug reports, apply for ambassador perks. Companies reward feedback with premium time or credits. Method 5, partner promos and holiday drops. Black Friday, New Year product launches often include 1 to 3 month premium codes. Track deal aggregators, enable Google Alerts for InVideo AI promo code. Page. Method 6, team seats via your org. If your company pays for a team plan, if your school pays for a team plan, if your club pays for a team plan, ask to be added as a user. That's fully within license. No password sharing, and you get premium while you're on the roster. Method 7, hackathons and accelerator perks. Events frequently include sponsored credits for AI tools. Check DevPost, check MLH, check local startup hubs. Build a project, claim the codes. Method 8, perk stacks. Some credit cards, phone carriers, co-working memberships bundle free months of creator software. Open your Perks Hub and search video or AI. Bonus, if you only need a few premium features, combine free tools. Captions, YouTube Studio Auto Subs, Stock, Pexels and Pixabay. Voice, your phone's recorder plus light EQ. Quick action plan, join the email list, set alerts, grab a trial, post your referral link to your team chat, apply for EDU or nonprofit, hop into the Discord beta, follow this, and you'll cycle legit premium access all year. No tricks, no stress. Like and subscribe if you want me to drop active links in the next video.